Mic check. 1, 2. Dude, my voice is not back all the way yet. You're gonna have to bear with me. Can you guys hear me? Am I loud? Am I clear? Am I too loud? Let me know. I think I'm way too loud here. There we go. I think that's a little bit better. The name's International Stacker. We're about to be live. Yes, the voice is a little rough, but I'm back, baby. I've got the baby gator ready to let it unloose. We got so much geopolitics, so much news, so many updates. We're going to be breaking it all down here in just 9 minutes and 20 seconds. Are you guys ready? Smash the like button, share the streams. There's so many crustaceans out there that have been waiting that don't know what's happening right now. Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to be live in just 9 minutes and 5 seconds. Drop a crab in the chat if you're ready. Let's go.
In the borders, I'm a golden and silver stacker on the run. Circle the globe till the treasure's done. You should subscribe. Join the crustacean nation. Yeah, free silver, free
Who's ready? Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to be live in just 7 minutes and 45 seconds, breaking it all down. The breaking gold and silver news. If you're ready, smash the like button, share the stream. We're about to be live here in 7 minutes and 45 seconds. Who is drinking Mrs. International Stacker coffee with me this morning? Thank you, Sage. Sage says my voice is now a sexy voice. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, buckle up. We're about to be live in 7 minutes and 5 seconds. I'm going to be answering all your questions, helping you read the tea leaves. I'm sorry I was gone so long. I'm sorry, but now I'm back. They tried to take out my voice, but it's growing stronger with each day. Who is ready in chat right now? Let me know. We're going to be live in 6 minutes and 50 seconds.
From Arctic ice to island drums, every stamp on my page, another drop in the way.
Thank you, Stock Snipes. Thank you.
Silver stackers,
Thank you for those jewels. Ladies and gentlemen, we are just 6 minutes and 10 seconds away from it all happening. Smash the like, share the stream. Are you ready? Who's ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Hold up. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. How's my audio now? Is it better? Is it too loud? Let me know. Thank you so much, Littlefoot Silver Stacker, for being a member for 4 months, saying welcome back. Guys, Littlefoot Silver Stacker in chat won one of the hidden hordes. Put congrats in chat for Littlefoot Silver Stacker. I might show his face. I may just show his face on stream if you guys want to see it. He does look a little bit like a Yeti, but in a good way, not a bad way. A good way. 5 minutes. Smash the like button if you're ready.
Stacks of silver, stacks
Who wants to see his face? Cheryl says your voice is perfect, almost normal. Yeah, it's close. I think after this weekend I'll be okay. Let's go. Yes. Let's go, let's go. Oh, I bought the dip. Who bought the dip? If you bought the dip, put dip in chat. Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to be live in 4 minutes and 15 seconds, breaking it all down, the gold and silver news. We're going to watch the COMEX open up. We're going to watch Shanghai, if my voice can keep holding on. We're going to watch the stock market together with the SpaceX IPO. Who's ready? And we got BB in chat, member for 3 months, saying missed you loads. I missed you guys too. I'm glad to be back. I'm glad to be back, baby.
Silver shines, gold's the glow. Stack it high, watch it grow. Giveaways for all, feel the thrill. International stacker that mill. So hit that sub.
Hit that sub. Yeah, join the quest. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to be live in just 3 minutes and 10 seconds now, breaking it all down, the gold and silver news. Do not miss it and share the stream. Get ready to have a party here. Yes. The quest. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Soup John, guys, Soup John is in chat saying, welcome back, I bought the dip. Congratulations, Soup John. And John, someone literally brought a can of soup for you at the meet and greet. A literal can of soup. Oh House says, I hope your house was safe, flood. Yeah, the house is elevated. We're on giant stilts. It's gonna take a tidal wave to get us. Let's go. 2 minutes and 20-second warning here. Wow, hyperfixation picked up 7 ounces with the dollar cost average of 60.42. Good job. Trust but verify. You got it. Come on, let's get a crab dance. Get your claws up. Drop a crab in chat right now if you're ready. We're about to be ready, covering all the breaking gold and silver news. Are you ready? Are you prepared? Like and smash the stream. Yes, yes. Let's go. Okay. Thank you, Oli Stacker. Nice. Mark got a fake Britannia. Good job. Variable says, please see my recent name addition. A variable pumper. I love it. Kristen McSane, welcome back. Thank you, Silver Atari. Member for 5 months saying happy Friday, crustaceans. Love you guys. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, do you guys want the little kid? Do you want the old school? Do you want the crab migration? What intro do you want? Let me know right now in chat. 30-second warning. Let's get it. All right, I'm going to do something special for you guys this morning. Thank you for the super chat saying, I hope Rat Stacker had a great birthday. She did, Littlefoot Silver Stacker. And thank you to all you guys who sent in gifts for her. That was amazing. A couple of you brought stuff to the meeting. You guys are mega. Thank you so much. Let's do this.
Each year, the Stacker Crab makes a pilgrimage to the International Stacker YouTube channel. Here we have a typical Stacker Crab. While typical crabs will eat shells and food of such, these crabs only feast on silver.
One stacker on a journey to find silver. International stacker.
One stacker on a journey
to find
silver.
International Stacker.
What's up, ladies and gentlemen? I am back after a mega vacation, and yes, the voice is still a little hoarse, but it is coming back stronger each day. Every day, it is building back up. The vocal cords are getting stronger, so never fear. I will be back 100% soon. The name's International Stacker, coming to you live from Key West, Florida, where I'm closer to Cuba than a Walmart, ladies and gentlemen. And we are so close to 69,200, and that would be the next big show. I think we all need a big show right about now. 300 videos around the world on gold and silver adventures. And guys, this last one I put out literally had silver from the morgue. If you want to find out about forbidden silver from the morgue, go check out my last video there. And boy, oh boy, has it been a crazy morning, a crazy couple weeks, ladies and gentlemen. So please smash that like button, share the stream. We're going to jump right into it. Now, first, let's look at this. Let's look at the 1 week chart. So those slippery little salamanders, while I was gone, while the baby gator was asleep, they have been able to turn a couple weekly candles red, but it is okay. Never fear. Let's zoom out to the month, see how we're looking here. Okay. We're looking good there, and we still got, what, 20 days? 28 days? 26 days? Something like that to the rest of the month. So we're going to see what happens there. But let's zoom in here and see what happened overnight. And guys, I might cough. I might sneeze. I don't know. Just bear with me. Thank you. Okay. So overnight, silver hit a high of $67.98. It hit a low of $65.89. It is currently trading on a red candle of $67.19. And we just hit a low, a recent low of $61.51. Now, who in chat was able to buy on the dip at $61.50 or $61.51? Put dip in chat if you were able to take advantage of that. Wow, what a gift. What a gift. But here's where we're at today. And we are just a minute and 15 seconds away from the trading session taking over in New York. So we're going to see the volume down here start to pick up. That's how many trades are happening. And guys, today's going to be a very interesting day. Why is that? We've got the SpaceX IPO today. SpaceX IPO going on today. So, yeah, it's going to be interesting. Okay, gold overnight, ladies and gentlemen, hit a high of $4,246.75. Hit a low of $40.01 at $69.91, and it's on a red candle at $4,207.33. Those slippery little salamanders tried to get us under 4,000, but we actually hit a low here of 4,025, it looks like. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are pushing back. We're certainly not going to take it. As a matter of fact, maybe we are going to take it. Maybe we are taking the silver. And shout out to Hoya Guru in chat. Says, bought the dip, got 5,000 worth from Hero Bullion. And guys, if you want to buy the dip, it's pinned in chat. Hero Bullion is a proud sponsor of this channel. Thank you so much. They had the 5 ounces at spot. Every household can do it once. It's only $336 right now. Thank you so much, Hero Bullion. But guys, if you're missing out, the Hidden Horde, I gave away 2 of these bars already. 2 5-ouncers. There's only about 300 or 400 of these left. There's only about 200 10-ounce bars left. Copper is sold out, and they're, what is it, $1.49 over spots. So that's pretty respectable. And guys, the Mega GOT is coming. Let's see. We've got one of the sold out copper bars is in there for you guys. And look at this. One of you is going to be taking this 10-ouncer home. This is one of the limited edition, only 1,776 from Hero Bullion. And Littlefoot Silver Stacker and Cat Stacker, I think both are in chat, won the 5-ounce version of this. How do you guys love it? If you love it, let us know in chat. If any of you guys are able to pick it up, let us know. Super limited. Okay. So we talked about silver. We talked about gold. We are now trading in New York, so we're going to start to see this volume really pick up here this morning. Look at this gold to silver ratio, currently hovering around 62.6. We did have a spike up into the mid 60s, But now we're dropping back down precipitously. So we're going to keep an eye on this during this trading session. And remember, we close tonight for the weekend. Remember that? Right here, the big La Bamba. We're going to be watching together as this opens up, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time? I've forgotten. Yeah. 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is going to open up. It hit a Shanghai Futures Exchange, hit a high of 74.05, a low of 73.35. And currently, it closed at 73.55 in a red candle. So let's see what we got going on here. Oh, that was nice. That was a nice little cough there. Okay. Cool. Now we're going to cover breaking gold and silver news, guys. So if you got questions, hold them in chat for a minute. When I come back to this screen here, I'm going to answer all your questions. So please, please, please save your questions for then. I will answer every single one. Oh, is Yankee stacking in the house? Hey, Yankee. Yankee, the trip was great. My voice is destroyed. I was cheering for the night. Look at this, guys. I took Rat Stacker and Mrs. IS to medieval times. My voice is already almost back, and I was cheering for our night, the black and white night. And, yeah, the rest is history. Now I got a frog in my throat. Is Mrs. IS making crab soup for Rick and not culinary advice? I don't know, maybe. Guys, Rick Harrison does need soup. Badly. If you need soup, put I need soup in chat right now. Okay, let's go over here to the breaking gold and silver news. And then I'm going to be back to answer your questions. Okay, so we got a lot of stuff happening. Even though random people on the internet are telling you it's over, gold and silver are done. They're through. They're things of the past. Look at this. They're antiques. It's all going to zero. We're done. We're all screwed. We're all done. While they're telling you that, we've got people like this. This was featured on Fox News. CEO warns silver demand is exploding and the world cannot keep up. In a new Fox News interview, America's Gold and Silver Corp chairman, CEO Paul Andre Hewitt said, silver is in a structural deficit. We know that. We know we're in our sixth plus year of structural deficit. Interviewed a dude at Tim's in a shirt covered in crabs. Did you really, Yankee? Yankee, I'm going to check that out. Guys, Yankee Stacking, go check out his newest video. He interviewed a clandestine crustacean that was showing off his colors. That's awesome. Wow, and Jeff Stout just gifted 5 International Stacker memberships. Thank you so much. It went to Cecilia and got one. Nice. It went to Berkey. It went to She Digs Life. It went to Hubby. It went to Steph. Congratulations. Thank you so much, Jeff Stout, for gifting those memberships. Crustaceans, get outside. Hold your bulls up. Hold your bulls up. See if you could get lucky. So anyways, yeah, we know we've been in a silver structural deficit for 6+ years. It's not getting better anytime soon. The only way to fix that is new mines. They take 10 to 15 years. Okay. The world is short year after year. Yeah, we know that. We know we hit peak mining in 2016 and every year since then. We have reduced production 1 to 3% every year. So we hit peak mining in 2016. I got to change the song. I need a little bit more. Hold up. I need something to hype me up. There we go. Is that not hype? Put a hype in chat if that song is way more. That's way more hype. The other one is way too easy listening for me. Okay. Industrial demand is surging from AI data centers, EVs, solar panels, etc. Thank you, Chris, for the laughing disco ball. Now, here's what this CEO said. We cannot keep up no matter what. The industrial needs for silver are not slowing down. They are increasing. He called the current pullback a buying opportunity as geopolitics creates short-term noise, but long-term fundamentals. Now, guys, we've been seeing crazy price action in silver. Don't forget, before the attacks in Iran started, we were in the 90s, headed back up to triple-digit silver. And then Iran happened, and then it's been a shizzle, I'm not cussing, a shizzle show since then. So what does that tell you when we finally get peace in the Middle East? Well, I got a post on that coming up. Don't go anywhere. But here's the video there from Fox News if you want to go check that out. But even Fox News, they're talking about physical structural deficits in silver and warning about future explosions to come. Okay. Next one here, report. Americans are cashing out of gold coins while Asians are bulking up aggressively, stacking to the sky. According to a new Bloomberg report, the U.S. retail investors are selling physical gold coins at a rapid pace. Asian investors, especially China, India, and Southeast Asia, are buying heavily and stockpiling. This divergence is classic. Westerners selling the dips while smart money in Asia continues to accumulate. Guys, are you selling? Are you part of the Americans here cashing out, or are you stacking to the sky? Next exit says music's on the low side. But okay, I'll turn the music up slightly. Hold up. Hold up. There we go. I turned it up ever so slightly. Bam. So go read the full article here if you want to find out more about that. But which one is you? Which one are you? Okay, guys, here's the big deal. Here's the big deal. This is what's been affecting silver and gold. Geopolitics around the world. And lately, oh, thank you so much, Chris, for the hand slap. Thank you. And lately, I've been talking about how geopolitics have been more important than true fundamentals and technical analysis. Now, remember, none of the fundamentals for silver or gold have changed. Especially for silver, structural deficits, it's only going, all that stuff's the same. But geopolitics have overridden technical analysis on the charts. Not a financial advisor, just some dude on the internet with crabs. And when we see that happen, we can see shocking things happen, okay? Now, traditionally, gold and silver would move up in times of instability. Sometimes it took a month or two in the past, 45 days or so. But it generally always moves up. But we've been seeing some unique price action to where every time we see a potential peace deal, the price goes up. Anytime we see instability, the price goes down. So if we look here on this chart, why is the price going up? Look at it right here. 3 a.m. we had a big pop. 3 p.m. yesterday we had a big pop. And over here, 1 we had a big pop. Well, that's because of this. What's going on here? Iran peace hopes versus reality, ladies and gentlemen. We need a soup fix, says Shotgun Susie. Shotgun Susie says, you guys can't hear this music? Can you guys not hear the music? If you want me to pump it up in an Arnold Schwarzenegger voice right now. Thank you so much, Roadkill, saying, now that you're back, I'll be milling out the package Monday for the Mega Ga. Something small for the next bounty. Thank you, Roadkill. You guys, should I spice this up a little bit? Hold up. Hold up. This is the next bounty for whoever gets Rick Harrison soup. Let's see here. I just had a wild idea. Hold up. Where is it? Hold up. I just recently had some pickups from Germania Mint. First, I want to give you guys some gold. I want to give you guys some. But first off, look at this. Woo! Ties all the runes together. That's the 2-ouncer. Put that there. But here's what I'm thinking. For the next person who gets Rick Harrison soup, I'm going to give you guys a bounty. First off, look at this beautiful Germanium Mint copper round. Okay, let me take it out of the plastic. Come on. So you can put this Germanium Mint copper round in there. And how about this? How about we throw this Germanium Mint gold? 1/100th of an ounce. Look at that. The Odin Gold Bar. The Odin Gold Bar. That's going in the bounty for the next person to get Rick Harrison soup. Okay, let's continue here. Sorry, guys. I got distracted. Okay. So this is what's been going on. Iran peace deal, hopes versus reality. Markets reacting wild. And thank you, Roadkill, for that. Markets reacting wildly. Do you have whiplash? Key updates in the last 24 hours. Trump says U.S.-Iran peace memorandum could be signed as early as this weekend with Hormuz opening and sanctions relief on the table. Now, remember, we had major escalations over the last 48 hours. Rick Harrison, no, you don't get that if you get your own soup. Sorry. You can't win that. Do you keep any of your silver in capsules? Yeah, I keep pretty much most of my semi-numismatic is in capsules, yes. But for bullion coins like American Silver Eagles, I keep those in tubes. Airtight. Okay. What was I saying here? I'm getting. You guys get me distracted. Okay. Oh yeah. So the last few days we've been seeing a lot of attacks going on in Iran. We've seen the U.S. taking out a lot of sites. We've seen Iran striking Israel and other U.S. bases around the area. And yesterday, Trump said a peace deal was near, and Iran was denying it. But supposedly this morning, some are. It might be possible. It might be true. I don't know. So we may have, ladies and gentlemen, a U.S. peace deal coming soon. We'll keep watching that. If that happens, I expect to see a continued rally in gold and silver on the way up. Iran's foreign minister quickly pushed back. No final agreement has been reached. Military activity has continued. U.S. forces shot down Iranian drones near Hormuz with Israel, while Israel hit Hezbollah targets in Lebanon, or Lebanon in Arabic. Oil prices plunged. Brent crude down nearly 4% on ceasefire. Look at this, guys. We go here to oil. Look at this. 84, 84, 83, 84. It has been a while, a long time since we've seen all the oils at the same time, sub 90. That's a big deal. Bottom line, short-term relief, rally, and risk assets would normally pressure gold and silver safe haven risk assets. However, in recent fashion, we are starting to see a small rally. But the underlying macro, massive debt, central bank buying, fragile geopolitics hasn't changed. There's an article there if you want to go read more about that. This is a big one right here. This is a big one. GATA founder. Now, what's GATA? GATA was the Gold Antitrust, or is the Gold Antitrust Action Committee. It's a leading organization fighting for transparency in gold and silver markets. Bill Murphy, its founder and chairman, is a longtime precious metals advocate who has spent decades exposing alleged bank manipulation on the COMEX. And Kyle just gifted 5 memberships. It went to Vivid. It went to Kenny. It went to Mrs. Puggy. It went to Stock, and it went to Teflon. Congratulations. Say thank you to Kyle. Check out your new custom channel member emojis. And guys, the next War Room will most likely be Monday morning. I'm planning to do an evening stream tonight, but I don't think with my voice I'll be able to do a live stream and a War Room. So the next War Room will most likely be Monday morning. But guys, John got soup. What about you?
Open the kitchen. We've got hungry crustaceans. John got soup, yeah. But how about you? Are you hungry? Say it out loud.
I'm extra sloppy.
Come on now. Are you hungry? Who wants soup? Hungry. Come get your soup. Open the kitchen. We're cold.
I can eat 50 eggs.
Are you hungry? Come get your soup.
I'm sorry, I had to play it. I'm sorry. I had to play it. Okay. So in a new interview with Silver Trade, legendary silver warrior Bill Murphy dropped a bombshell. And remember, the GATA, the Gold Antitrust Action Committee, is the leading organization fighting for transparency in gold and silver markets. Bill Murphy, its founder and chairman, is a long-term precious metals advocate who has spent decades exposing alleged banker manipulation on the COMEX, okay? Thank you, Kyle, for the super chat saying, shout out to Shotgun Susie and Ralph for keeping the chat going for 9. Yeah, guys, we had this chat going for 9 days and they kept it rolling. Can everyone say thank you to Shotgun Susie and Ralph? Thank you. Thank you to all the mods in stream right now. You are all mega. Okay, so GATA founder Bill Murphy comes out of retirement. Silver will go berserk this summer is what they're saying. In a new interview with Silver Trade, the legendary silver warrior Bill Murphy dropped a bombshell. Silver's going to go berserk this summer. Hang on to the bull. The banksters are getting in their last shot before the explosion. So this is Murphy, founder of GATA. He's back with both guns blazing, guys. He's retired, but he's back doing interviews. So this is what he's saying. There's a little clip here I wanted to show you. Hold up here.
It took a bunch of years, and then finally they couldn't stop it anymore, and slam bam, thank you, ma'am. That silver went nuts and corrected, and as I said, I expect it to go berserk this summer.
So he's saying he's expecting silver to go berserk this summer. How berserk? Michael Oliver berserk? Guys, remember, Michael Oliver is still calling for $200 to $300 silver. I still think that's a bit bullish for summer, but you never know. I'll be dancing with you in the streets if it happens. And Derek Wildstar has been a Diamond Claws member for 5 months saying, welcome back, IS. We missed you. I miss you guys too. Guys, my intent was to do my full-blown live streams while on vacation, and the mic didn't work. So then I switched to my phone, and then I caught the death of pneumonia. Not really pneumonia. I'm just being funny. I got super sick, so I couldn't do my full streams for you guys, and I felt bad about that, but I'm back, baby. The voice is on the mend, and I wanted to shout out all the Diamond Claw members in chat right now. All the members in chat, all the members on stream, I really appreciate you. It's viewers like you that help me do what I do. Your name is up there on screen if you're Diamond Claws. And I got a question for everyone in chat right now. Who has Diamond Claws? Who's got them?
Diamond Claws.
Keep smashing that like button. We're only 17 away from 300. Chris Simic says, tried my best to keep up with Ralph and Susie. They're utterly relentless and proved to be unchattable on chat points. Or uncatchable. Uncatchable on chat points. That's funny, Chris. Chris is trying to catch them. Okay, here's a big one, guys. Florida made gold and silver legal tender with House Bill 999. A big one for sound money, and that goes into effect, don't forget, on July 1st. We've spoken about this before on the channel, but it's happening July 1st. Less than a month away. Governor Ron DeSantis signed into legislation allowing gold and silver to be used as legal tender in the state. The largest state to do so. Goes live July 1st. Voluntary for businesses and individuals. Eliminates, there you go, sales tax, yes, on qualifying gold and silver. Creates framework for digital payments backed by physical metals. That means you'll be able to use like a debit card tied to your metals. This directly references Article 1, Section 10 of the U.S. Constitution. So here we go, guys. There's a video right there from ITM Trading. It's a great one if you want to go check that out. And let's go back to the charts here, guys. We are in the danger zone. Remember, every morning from 8:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time is the danger zone, and that's traditionally when the big bankers like to attack us. So we're going to mark it here, and I'm going to issue a danger zone alert right now. And we're in here on our first candle in the danger zone. It's a green one so far. So let's see what we can do here, ladies and gentlemen. Maybe we need a baby gator. I don't know. What do you guys think? Interpolation says, I remember when Diamond Claw's list was one side of an A4 paper plus large font. I know. It's been crazy. Thank you all for your support. Thank you. 867 Diesel. It's not a credit card tied to your metals. It's a debit card. So here's how that works. Everyone has to have paper currency in your bank account to pay your bills. You got to pay your rent or your car or your gas or whatever. Now, many people never want to sell their metals. Now, what if you could have an account where you put your paper currency into, it converted it to actual physical gold and silver held in a state repository. So you have $1,000 worth of gold and silver in there, okay? And then if the price goes up, you have more in there. But then you can use a debit card that will deduct. So you spend $2.98 for a latte, it will deduct that, you know? So it makes it so people can keep their paper fiat. So if you have an emergency fund for 6 months, instead of keeping it in paper currency where you know it's going to get inflated away continuously, it would enable people to keep it in metals. So that's what the intent is there. The intent is not to let people deficit spend. So it wouldn't be a credit card, it would be a debit card. So that's what they're doing in the state. Not saying I think it's the best thing since sliced cheese or sliced bread or whatever the saying is. I'm just saying that's what they're doing. I had gambling withdrawals, says the Lone Ranger. That's funny. Bank of International Stackers says Silver Fox. Rick Harrison says, I don't like it. Not one bit. It's all about the retailers and wholesalers that are tapping into individuals' ability to spend what they should not be spending. That's my opinion. Okay. And here's the thing. It's not mandatory. It's voluntary. So it's going to allow people to do what they do. But every month I have to have like a couple $1,000s in the bank account to pay bills and pay the rent and do these different things, right? I would rather have that in physical gold. I would rather have that in physical silver instead of keeping it in the paper currency. So that's just a different viewpoint on it. But I get your point. I get your point. Guys, who bought into SpaceX? The SpaceX IPO, the largest in history, arguably what's going to make Elon Musk a trillionaire. Let's see. So its IPO is at 135 a share. We're probably not going to see this live at 9:30. We're probably going to see this go live probably like 10 or 11 a.m. would be my guess. But who bought into SpaceX for 135? Oh, someone's trying to duel me. Okay, we need to do one thing here, guys. We got a red candle. I've been on vacation. We need something that some scientists say works 90% of the time, every time, to turn a red candle green or a green candle to a BGC. Ladies and gentlemen, you taught it to me in Boca Raton, Florida. Okay, I'm going to try to do the baby gator noise. Here we go. How do you do the baby gator noise? I don't know. Whoa, whoa, what was that? It was a giant lizard just jumped. That thing was massive. I thought I actually summoned an alligator for a second there. I'm telling you, it was massive. Soup John says, not me. I'm waiting for SpaceX movie. Whoa. Whoa. Rick Harrison says, I pulled my intention out last minute. I fear the shorters I took again 6 to 12 months. Thank you, Rick. And we did drop the baby gator here. Let's see what happens. We've got another 7.5 minutes left in the danger zone here. Yeah, guys, I'm thinking about maybe buying a small position in SpaceX, and here's why. 15 days from it going live, everyone's 401k, which Wicked Sticky Flowers is talking about, is going to be buying a position. Everyone's 401k, index funds, all that is going to be adding SpaceX. So I'm thinking once the dust settles, I might buy it. Not financial advice, just some dude on the internet with crabs. I might buy a small position before that 15 days is up, right through the 15 days, and then just flip it. And then whatever's left, flip it either into physical gold and silver or other mining stocks. I don't know. I'm not convinced yet, but I'm thinking about it. I sold my little paper position. I have one share, says the Johnny. Nice. Thank you. Oh, Cat Stacker, guys. Here's Cat Stacker. Hidden Horde was mega, like the Dirty Dancing song. I had the time of my life, and I owe it all to you. Thanks, IS. Guys, Cat Stacker, 74 in chat. Another happy winner of the Hidden Horde. Remember, I have done 2 so far. So if you go to my website, internationalstacker.com, click the Hidden Horde. The Gold Museum, this was found by Littlefoot Silver Stacker in chat. Market Square, downtown Knoxville, that was found by Cat Stacker 74 right there. Wow. Wow. Summer Fun Coin Show is going to be the next one. July 9 through 11, we're going to do a Hidden Horde there in a subscriber meet and greet. Springfield, Illinois, July 15 to 20. A&A Coin Show, August 25 to 28. So these are the next 3 Hidden Hordes, 5 more ounces. Now, these 2 were the special limited bar. I don't know what these 3 are going to be. We'll see. But check out the website, internationalstacker.com. If you want to see the live prices anytime in Oneida, our favorite. We've got the charts on here for you guys to have fun and manipulate. We got news blog. We got shop. If you're wondering about Soup for John and all these different memes, all the memes are here. It explains it all. The hunt for Mrs. IS, everything. Everything. The Johnny saying, I heard the same thing about the 401ks buying. It's going to be fun to see what. Yeah. So basically, the NASDAQ rewrote the rules that, let me try to remember what it was. NASDAQ rewrote the rules. So now the waiting period is over. I think it used to be a 2 or 3 month mandatory waiting period before index funds and people's retirements and 401ks could buy into stocks. Okay. But they changed that for SpaceX. And again, in 15 days from today's IPO, you're going to see people's 401ks, different retirement instruments, different index funds buying into SpaceX. So that's what I was thinking. There might be a short-term opportunity there, but I'm going to have to see what happens with the open today. I'm going to have to see what's going on before I decide to try that. Okay. And we are getting some downward pressure. Let's go here and see what the president is saying. See if there's any new posts here. Nothing new, but here's the post last night. Based on the fact that discussions with the Islamic Republic of Iran have been brought to the highest levels of Iranian leadership and approved, I have, as President of the United States of America, canceled the scheduled strikes and bombings against Iran this evening. That was last night. Discussions and final points have been, in both concept and great detail, approved by all parties involved. including the U.S., Israel, Saudi Arabia, UAE, Qatar, Turkey, Pakistan, Bahrain, Kuwait, Jordan, Egypt, and others. The naval blockade will remain in full force and effect until the transaction is finalized. So this is what we saw major reaction to last night. So we're going to keep watching this morning. And let's go see what you guys are saying here on X, formerly known as Twitter. And please keep smashing that like button, guys. We're only 80 likes away from 400. I know we could do that. Next 80 people to smash like are going to get good luck for 15 years.
It's science.
Okay. And I know what you guys are thinking right. Look at this. Look at this right now. I know what you're going to think.
I am never going to financially recover from this.
I actually see it as buying opportunity. Okay, here we go. So, Mitch, don't sleep on gold. Guys, don't forget AU is the periodic table for gold. AG is for silver. Thank you, Mitch. I don't think it will, mate, says, okay, Doc. What's that in response to? That. Next exit, look at this.
I'm out of soup, sir. May I have some more?
No soup for you, Rick Harrison. Okay, we're back live. Thank you, Sicilian. Oh, look. That's my mask. Family trip. Look at this. Where do you want to go, guys? Restaurant, movie, shopping? Put it in chat. No, Rat Stacker, they had a great time. God, come on. That's funny, Blue Shadow. The Silverwig, the most entertaining Silver Stacker streamer on the... Thank you, Silverwig. I appreciate that. Variable saying, Charlie, don't say... Thank you. Dwayne saying, is this demand keeps up for silver? Wait, if this demand keeps up for silver, we will hit 50. Says, I wish silver would hit 50, guys. I'd back up the truck so hard. This is it. Come on, get your claws up to Shotgun Susie. Future Motive, join me live as we break down. Thank you. Blue Shadow, thank you for putting out. Silver Steve saying, it's just not true. Dishonest people are attempting to change the definition of demand. If silver was hard to come by, that would be a deficit. If there was real deficit, the cost would go up, not down. Wake up. You know what he needs to read? I'm going to help him out here. I'm going to go here. Guys, my news blog, I put a lot of work into this. 1 second. He needs this. Here. He needs this. He needs this. It's very rare to change people's opinions online, guys. So I just try to be like, here, read this. Okay, when Kramer says something, go do the opposite, guys. This is in response to Jim Cramer. Bitcoin and gold are bad money being liquidated for SpaceX, Apple, Nvidia, good money being liquidated. Oh, Jim Cramer. Okay, look at this. Brian was saying, are they finding the hidden hoard? Look at this. This person found a silver bar. Look at the giant silver bar they found diving from a shipwreck, obviously. Guys, how mega would that be? Oh my goodness. And we're getting into a little Slammy McSlammerson here. Perfect time to pick up some silver at spot. Check out Hero Bullion, proud sponsor of the channel. Okay. So we've got 5 seconds left in the danger zone. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We are now out of the danger zone, ladies and gentlemen. We are out of the danger zone. Okay, the next shoe to drop is going to be here. Shanghai Futures Exchange in just 29 minutes. This chart's going to open up here. The big La Bamba. Go nowhere. Smash the like button and buckle up. That's going to be a fun one. There is music. Can you guys hear the music? If you can hear the music, put music in chat. If you can't, put no. Some of the levels might be off just from my trip. Let's see what you guys say here. SGT, what's up? You sound like you came back from a rave. Welcome. Yeah, I'm getting the voice back. I am. Good to see you, SGT. Okay, some of you can hear music. Some of you can't. That is interesting. I'm going to give it a little bump here. Okay, I just gave it a little bit of a bump. The music hypes me up. Okay, we're back on our green candle here, immediately out of the danger zone. All right, let me check. Hold up. Let me check this. We got Music Gate going on here. Oh! Hold up. Okay, I can hear it on my phone. I just checked. How many of you guys have heard about the scandal, the Lego scandal? If you've heard about the Lego scandal with bricks and minifigs, put Lego in chat. If you haven't, let me know. See what you guys say. It has been the biggest internet scandal. Huge. Put Lego in chat if you know. If you don't know, I'll explain it to you. Brick by brick, says Aaron. Okay. I'm going to give you guys a quick synopsis. This guy, Reckless Ben, he's a YouTuber, and he, like, infiltrated, like, different cults and things in the past, and, like, he's done different things, okay? Different things. And 3 weeks ago, he tracked down... So, basically, there's this guy named Brian. He took his father's Legos into a shop named Bricks and Minifig. Bricks and Minifigs is a big corporate company, but they're also a franchise. So they have stores everywhere. So Brian went into a store in Oregon, a Lego collection reportedly valued around $200,000. Some are saying it's $100,000, whatever, $100,000 or $200,000. Left it there on consignment. Anyways, the owner of that store got kicked out to buy corporate, and those Legos disappeared, allegedly. So he basically, this is what it says. I tracked down the Lego thief who stole $200,000 of Lego. This video went viral, 5.8 million views. Then he released number 2. The police department appears to be in collusion with the Bricks and Minifig corporate. There's body camera of them on camera, like trying to get them arrested. So this YouTuber, merely trying to help get the Lego collection that went missing, that corporate Bricks and Minifigs allegedly said, "Oh, we don't have it. It doesn't exist." Yeah, it exists. And now they're trying to backpedal. It is a big controversy. But he got swatted for it. He got arrested for it. He's being sued for $1 million. And Bricks and Minifig Corporate's trying to say, we want to make Brian whole. We want to help him. They're suing him for over $1 million. So anyways, here's the drama. Go check out Reckless Ben. This video, all these videos are great. All have millions of plays, but that's what's going on there. Big corporate company allegedly smashing the little guy, and they basically said to him, you can take us to court, but it's going to be more expensive than what your collection's worth. So what does this teach us, ladies and gentlemen, in gold and silver? This teaches us that we got to be careful with our investments. We got to have plans to sell our investments and plans to sell our investments safely, because you're going to have unscrupulous companies. Allegedly, I don't want to get sued too. They're suing everybody. They're literally suing YouTubers. Allegedly. You don't want to have companies that will take advantage of you. You leave things on consignment, then all of a sudden it disappears. So be careful. Buy from trusted sources. Sell with trusted sources. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. And only if Brian's father, who's sick, had put his investment into physical gold and silver, I think it'd be a much different story right now. Brick by brick. Who's with me? And we're on a green candle here. And guys, we are just 25 minutes away. I've watched the whole thing. I watched the whole thing unfold. I feel pretty passionate about it. It's totally disgusting. Like, there's body cams, and it's all recorded. And it's definitely the big company trying to bully around small people. And they're trying to put Reckless Ben in jail over it. It is disgusting. It's sick. I think Reckless Ben will ultimately win. But, like, there was a GoFundMe that raised $400,000 to get Brian his Lego money back and also help him in court. And Bricks and Minifigs did a temporary restraining order, got it taken down. But Ben got it taken back up. He can't talk about it anymore because they got a temporary restraint. It's dirty. So go check out Reckless Ben for that whole saga. You can go down that rabbit hole for a while. It's fun. It's a fun one. Yeah, the GoFundMe is back up. It got taken down. If I go here, let's see.
This is the story.
His GoFundMe. Yeah, $487,000. Look at this. I stole a family's life savings. Look at this. Hold on. Let me just show you this. Let me show you 20 seconds.
Actively working with the thieves to cover the entire thing up.
Hold up.
This man spent his life collecting what's now known as the world's largest Lego Star Wars collection ever. It's estimated to be worth around $200,000. And then the entire thing got stolen. And the police are actively working with the thieves to cover the entire thing up. But the craziest part is that the collector doesn't even know that his collection's been stolen. Yeah.
Anyways, it is a high production. It's good. It is a crazy saga. If you know, you know, brick by brick. Northampton West says we're under the 200-day moving average again with silver. We are under it on this chart. This is the 200. So this is 5-minute increments here. So we're under the 200 simple moving average on the 5-minute chart here. And we're also just dropped under the 50. I know we have some of those kits stuffed away. I have a new mission. There you go, Rick Harrison. Yeah, it's totally disgusting. I watched, okay, CPP is saying, I watched Camelot on the other day, who interviewed a prior franchisee who got screwed over by bricks and mini figs. Yeah, it's crazy. Some people stack physical gold and silver, others stack Legos. Yeah. Thank you for subscribing, EU Geneva. Thank you. Yeah, I did see CoffeeZilla's drop on that 603. So, guys, this company was like, CoffeeZilla's like, because the Legos went missing. So, CoffeeZilla's main focus is where do the Legos go. And he's saying there's reports that there is a U-Haul there that night. So basically, like, there's a U-Haul there. You could have taken it away. And the CEO, no, there's no U-Haul. No. Are you sure? No, there's no. We got a report. No, there's no U-Haul. Absolutely not. And then CoffeeZilla goes through all the pictures, and he finds a U-Haul in the reflection of a picture. And then all of a sudden, the corporate's like, oh, well, there was a U-Haul, but it's not. It was for something else. It's to tow a trailer. Totally dirty. Now, here's what we got going on here. One of you, I think it was Sicilian Stacker, sent in 3 silver-plated soup ladles, and they're actually stamped IS on the back for international silver. Hold up. See it right there? It's stamped IS. And I'm going to put one of those in the, one of those in there. Excuse me. This is for the bounty for Rick Harrison to get soup. Now, these aren't pure silver. They're silver plated, but still kind of funny. So one of them's in there. Who wants the silver IS ladle? Sicilian Stacker's in chat saying, I got soup served today. Congratulations, guys. Sicilian is in chat, and they got soup. Sicilian, that was you who sent me those ladles, right? It's hard to keep track with Sicilian, guys. Sicilian's got like 7 different names. It's hard to keep track. And Cat Stacker just gifted a membership, and that went to Rob TL. Congratulations, Rob. Say thank you to Cat Stacker. And guys, Cat Stacker was a big winner. For the Hidden Horde. And someone's saying they want this No Soup for John song? Really?
What the hell?
That was No Soup John right there. Oh, here, wait. Here it is. Roadkill just gifted a membership.
Please, sir, I want some more.
No soup for John.
Taste the soup.
No soup for John.
Good soup.
No soup for John.
No soup for you.
No soup for John. It's all
Now I'm making a new No Soup song. The one I made was just the wrong music style. It was way too long. So I got a new one coming. And look, Rob is in chat. Rob is in chat saying, thank you for the soup. Well, you could thank Cat Stacker. Happy winner of the Hidden Horde. Guys, I got footage of the Hidden Horde winners. Do you guys want to see what Cat Stacker looks like? Let me see if I can show you the video. Hold up. That's what I'm going to do. Hold up. Okay. I'm going to show you. I'm going to go here. I'm going to show you the 2 winners of the Hidden Hordes. Hold up. Here he is. This is a Cat Stacker. He won the Hidden Horde in Knoxville, Tennessee. Now this sign has 2 signs on it, and it was hanging down in the middle of the 2 signs. I had a little bag here, and it was down inside the 2 signs. So Cat Stacker found that one. And then the one the day before in Dahlonega, Georgia. That's Littlefoot Silver Stacker, guys. He found that one. Look at that. Wow. And that was in the foot. That was in the foot. Here, I'll show you. Where is it? Hold up. Where's that hidden? I thought I tweeted it out. Ah, here. So that one, that Hidden Horde, I'll show you. It was hidden in there. That Hidden Horde was hidden right in there. Right in that little thing. Okay. Soup John says, I still love my song. I know. I got to reboot it. Time for work. Have a great day. Good to see you, Chris Simic. Okay, Chris Simic gifted 5 memberships. Thank you. Went to Frostbite Coins. It went to Beth. It went to Hash. It went to Rob. It went to the Silver Shadow. Thank you so much, Chris Simic. You are mega. Thank you so much. Have a good day at work, Chris. And ladies and gentlemen, we are just 17 minutes exactly away from the Big La Bamba, the Shanghai Future Exchange opening here in a little bit. I'm going to ask you guys if you're Team Green. I'm going to ask you guys if you're Team Red. Now, remember, for the longest time, we were about a $10 premium. Like, it was pretty hardcore $10 premium. However, it closed at $73.55. We are at $66. So we're at about a $7 premium right now. I think there might be a new normal with the premium between East and West. I really do. I really do here. 600 people on the stream. Thank you so much. Keep smashing that like. We're only 30 likes away from 400. If we hit 30 likes, the next 30 people are going to get good luck for 18 months.
It's science.
See what you guys are saying on X, formerly known as Twitter. Whoa, look at this. Eric. Recon Thong Battalion. No. No treasure too far. No stack too large. Look at this. Thank you. It Fits Magic for the flow state. Thank you. Look at this. He's got silver flip-flops, a golden thong. Wow. Oh, wow. Look at this, guys. Michael D in chat. Small mug leaving you disappointed. Sometimes Mrs. IS needs the big tumbler treatment. Go big or go home. Wow. Oh, Michael D, you're the first person to buy one of these big ones. How is the quality of it? Do you like it? Michael D, do you like the quality of this big, massive one? Let me know. Who out there is sipping Mrs. International Stacker coffee with me? If you guys want to sip like a king crab in the morning, I'll drop the link in chat. I sip this every morning. You guys demanded it. Brewed from Mrs. IS Secret Blend, passed down through generations of crustaceans. What up? Okay, I'll drop that in chat. I'll pin that. Beep. There we are. So, Michael D, how's the quality on that? It's a great tumbler. Awesome. Awesome. This was Mitch. Okay. Okay, let's go here. Let's see what's going on in the world. Gold and silver at the... Oh. I gotta be careful what I show on stream here. Paul Andre, and for any bots or AI, they were fully clothed. It was just a bit risque. Do not ban the stream. Okay. Silver Trade saying breaking. Iran and the U.S. have a 14 draft plan. Okay. Immediate permanent ceasefire on all fronts. Reopening Strait of Hormuz. Lifting naval blockade. We'll see if that's actually true. Who knows? And Eric Young saying the plebs have sold their gold, silver, and miners at the bottom. Buy it all. SpaceX IPO will be quoted at 9:50 a.m. Someone keep track of that. If we're still live, guys, if we're still live at 9:50 a.m., someone keep track. I do want to cover that live as long as we're still live. Massive fire erupts in medical warehouse that can be seen for miles in Tracy, California. Beware. Okay, let's go back to here. Looks from Blue Shadow. I don't like coffee. Made in Belgium. I'm sorry, Blue Shadow. You can get a hat. Guys, if you go to my shop. Look at this. Oh, by the way, if you find the Hidden Horde wearing some of this Hidden Horde gear, you get an extra bonus. An extra bonus you get for finding the Hidden Horde and Hidden Horde gear. Oh! I got this. Okay, got two things. First off, what do you guys know about the War Room koozie with the diamond claw on the bottom? The War Room koozie, but I tried to get these flags made in time for this trip. I didn't have them. But on future ones, look at this. This is the flag that will be flying at all my meet and greets. I got a small one. And I got a big one. Depending on how big the situation is. So it's going to be much easier to find me. I've been planting a flag. I literally put a tripod down and I hang a small crab bag from it, but I'm gonna have a full-blown flag now. Thank you. Guys, keep smashing that like button. We're only one like away from 400. Whoever is the number 400 like is gonna get good luck for 745 years.
It's science.
Oh! Barbara, thank you so much for the super chat saying, yay, you're back, fearless crustacean leader. Love ya. From old California lawyer. Thank you so much, Barbara. You are mega. Oh, you guys want to buy? You guys want me to sell the Crustacean Nation flags? I didn't even think about that. I could. I got it made at my company. Maybe I should do a giveaway, like whoever flies one of these from their house first. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'll list it. I'll list the flag today. That's easy because I already made it on the. I made it with the same company that I make all my shirts and stuff with. Let's close that. Let's close that. So that would be just a matter of me making it public. So today those flags will be. Well, I can do it here live. As we watch here, guys, Shanghai's opening in about 10 minutes. Hold up. Give me 1 second here. I will make it live now. 1 second here. The pictures are going to be lame though, because I'll need to like make really cool looking pictures. So just know for now it's not going to be like an amazing picture. Let's see, where is it? Here it is. Show on my site. Okay, it says publishing. Oh, I need to put the Hidden Horde hat back on too. Okay. 1 second here. Okay, I think those are going to be up now. Let's check. Let's refresh it. Thank you, Brian. I am okay. The Hidden Horde hat is back up. I had to rework the design, guys. I had to rework the design. They could not embroider it. So there it is. Hidden Horde. I think it looks better though. And the flag is up now. Now on the flag, when you go to the flag, you have to select the size, 12 by 18 or 24 by 36. There you go. It's up. You guys demanded it and I listened. Someone said drop it. I'm going to keep one big and one small flag because I think there's situations where I might want to fly a small flag where I don't want to be too obvious and somewhere I fly a big one. So there you go. It's up. So is the t-shirts cost as much as an ounce? No, they don't. T-shirts are actually pretty affordable, I think. $24? The only place you're getting an ounce of silver for $24.99 is on Temu. This is like a third of an ounce. Let me take a sip of this Mrs. Aya's coffee. 1 second here. Are you hosting that website yourself or are you a third party? What software? I'm running it on Wix. I run the website on Wix. I've been pretty happy with it. Okay, guys, the big La Bamba here. What do you guys think? Are you team green or team red? We've got some positive pressure building here on the COMEX gold and silver. We traditionally have seen a $10 premium, but I think it's shrunk to $5 to $7 since I've been on vacation. So you guys team green or team red? Are we going up or down when we open? This is going to be happening in about 7.5 minutes here. Let me know. Do you guys want to see a pretty cool pickup from a Germanium Mint? A giant bar? Watch this. And Hero Bullion does have these in stock. This is like a raw. It is basically a raw copper bar designed to be cheap as possible. So for those stacking, I don't stack copper myself. Like I keep copper. If I find copper pennies, I keep and stack those, but I don't buy the rounds and bars to stack. I buy them for fun, but I don't buy them to stack because usually the premium on them is so high it'd be hard. But this is like a bare bones Germanium Mint copper bar, 100 grams, and Hero Bullion does have those in stock. Pretty cool bar. I bet Rat Stacker's gonna want that. I let Rat Stacker buy from my my silver and gold shop, which is basically my stack. She could buy anything at spot. I bet you she wants that giant bar. Watch. I think Second Springs is asking, is the 10% premium for China right? I think we're around a 10% premium. Yeah, I do. In recent time, it was higher than that. It was roughly $10 when we're in the 80s and 90s. But I think right now it's probably around a 10%. I think you're right there. And RJG in chat says picked up 3-ounce American Silver Eagles at spot yesterday from a local coin shop. Congratulations. Guitar saying I bought my silver at $24 an ounce in 2010. Congratulations. Kleiner says, glad you're back, Stacker. Crazy times. I backed up the truck and got some great deals. I once again bought 20 grams and got the deal €2 over spot. Congratulations, Kleiner. That's awesome. I bought some iced coffee the other day. It was definitely not disappointed. It was delicious. I like it a lot. I was thinking about releasing a second flavor. Are you guys interested? I was thinking about releasing a second flavor. It's another blend we like, and I was thinking about calling it the Goblin's Brew. Are you guys interested in the Goblin's Brew? Where is he? Hold up. Here it is.
Mega!
Who would be interested in the Goblin's Brew? Let me know. Hey, and someone just bought the flag. That's mega. Two people bought the flag just now. You got to send me, if you hang it out in your front yard, you got to send me a picture. Thank you, Ace. Finger saying, is it a flavored coffee or just it's a different blend. I think it's going to have tamarind in it, which is good for crab shells. So it's not going to be a flavor. It's going to be a different blend. Yet unique. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, we are 4 minutes away. This is your 4-minute warning. Oh, I was going to show you guys this. This is devastating. So one of the guys from Sigma, Alex from Stacker Vault, sent this to me the other day. He had someone contact him. They bought all these gold bars from an auction house. They bought the gold bars from an auction house. They took it to a coin shop. The coin shop told them it looks fine. Every single one of them was fake. They bought them from an auction house. A local coin shop looked and said they look fine. Every single one was fake. So they called Sigma. And they said, "Can you help me? My Sigma's giving me faulty readings." They walked him through everything. It wasn't faulty readings. They were literally fake gold bars. Guys, think about this. Like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 50, 20, 25. Like $30,000, $28,000 right there, fake gold. So disgusting. You got to protect yourself. Fakes are getting so bad. Can you tell me which one of these Morgan silver dollars is fake? Which of these Mercury dimes is real and fake? Is this slabbed American silver eagle real? Look at this 90% Milwaukee Liberty. Ladies and gentlemen, all of those coins except this one, plated in gold, were fake. Either you can spend $3,500 plus on a Sigma Metalytics Verifier Pro, or you can invest in something that one of the crustacean nation created. It is the Pocket Pinger by Sound Money. Passed. That was the real one. Failed. That Walking Liberty. Failed. Ladies and gentlemen, it's only $38. Link is in the description below. You get the Pocket Pinger. You get the stick. You get access to the free phone application. It's literal science. $38 can protect you from a fake silver coin, a fake gold coin, even fake silver bars, and 90%. And it helps support the channel too. So thank you so much. Click the link below. I believe it's mandatory for all stackers, and it's only $38. Protect your stack now. I feel passionate about that, guys. You got to protect yourself. Trust but verify. Even if I sell or send you free gold or silver, for the love of God, check it. Now I check everything before I give it away, because that's the last thing I'd want is to get tricked and then one of you gets them fake. But trust but verify from everybody. Trust but verify. And you could do it for $38. It saves you from one fake. It's already paid for itself. Okay. Now I've got an announcement to make. Ralph Ramsey. I wanted to say something special for now. All my moderators, I appreciate y'all so much. Shotgun Susie and Ralph Ramsey, they were in the live stream all week, and I really appreciate it. Ralph Ramsey sends me a lot of updates. He puts a lot of stuff in chat, so I've decided to promote Ralph Ramsey even higher. He is now a managing moderator. So he has a few more tools, and I just set that up, Ralph Ramsey. You're now a managing moderator. So I think you can pin things now. So check it out. Check out your new powers. But I do want to just acknowledge all my moderators. I appreciate y'all so much. A special acknowledgement for Shotgun Susie and Ralph for being on so much. And then a special acknowledgement for Ralph for being promoted to a managing moderator. Congratulations. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're 30 seconds away. Let me know right now, are you team green or team red? Are we going up or down? We've got negative downward pressure on gold and silver in the COMEX. I'm thinking it's going to be a gap down. What do you guys think? Team red, team green? What do you think? You can be team red without hating silver. It's fine. It means what you think is going to happen in the short term. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A baby gap. A baby gap down to a red candle. Look at that. Baby gap. Baby gap. There you go. So Shanghai is open on a green red candle, 73.42. So we're going to watch what happens here. The next shoe to drop, I don't know if I should do it. It's 30 minutes until the stock market opens, but I'm thinking maybe I should rest my voice and do a market close stream this evening. What do you guys think? Should I rest my voice and do a market close stream this evening? Let me know what you think. Let's go here. Because I'm going to have all weekend to recover. I'm seeing if there's any other gold or silver stackers arrested. Not arrested. I just read that arrested. If there's any gold or silver stackers live. Yeah, I think it'd be prudent of me to rest my voice. I'm trying to see if there's anybody. Oh, look, International Attackers Live. I'm trying to see if there's anyone we could raid. I'm not seeing any small creators we could raid. Unless you guys know any. Yeah, I think I'm going to save my voice. I think I am. We turned to green. You guys, the baby gator?
It's science.
Man, I think you're forcing me to upgrade my phone. I need an update, but I have no room. I think that's why I have no emojis in the tube chat, says Cheryl. Upgrade it, Cheryl. You got to upgrade it. If you haven't upgraded in a while, you could, like, get a free one maybe, you know, where you have to have a contract for like a year or 2 years or whatever, but it might be free. All right, let's make sure there's no one else live here. I see no small creators live. What did Casper say? Okay. Yeah, a big congratulations, guys. Look at Bobcat. Oh my god. Hold up. All right, hold up. Oh my, guys, this chat was live for a while. The whole trip. Look at this. If I go to top fans, you can click this. Can we all shout out Bobcat for being number one, 19,550 XP points in chat? Can we shout out Bob? That is crazy. That is awesome, Bob. Okay, Hyperfixation says, one final question before CYOTino. What is the coolest thing you at the Gold Museum? Guys, I didn't even get inside the Gold Museum. I did not even get inside the Gold Museum. I was so busy running around shooting, hidden horde, hiding things. I did not get in. So I'm going to have to answer that next time. That means I'm going to have to go back to Delonic. I got 3 tickets for the Gold Museum. Me, Mrs. IS, and Rat Stacker didn't even make it inside. But I'll tell you what the coolest thing was about Dahlonega, Georgia. Meeting you, the viewers, the subscribers, having the meet and greet, and watching Littlefoot Silver Stacker find the hidden horde. That, ladies and gentlemen, is truly amazing. You know what, Bob? Bob, email me, internationalstacker@gmail.com. I'm going to send you a International Stacker t-shirt. So Bobcat Pro, email me, internationalstacker@gmail.com for having 19,550 XP points. I'm going to send you some International Stacker merch. So email me. We will hash it out. I'll send it to you. Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you, everybody, so much. I will be back on this evening. I'm going to make the chat live soon, quick. I'll just reboot it quick after this. So you'll be able to chat and have fun in there all day and share it. Watch out. Situation for today. Peace deal with Iran is a big deal. Also, too, let's watch the IPO with SpaceX, see what happens there. That could drive some crazy market action. You could see people dumping other stocks and bonds and treasury, whatever, to get liquidity to get into that. So it's going to be quite interesting. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate y'all so much. I'll see you all this evening, probably at 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I guess I'll say CYOTino. Where is it? Catch ya on the next one. Thank you so much, everybody. Smash that like button on your way out.
Iran.